Primera vez.
Alright, so today I'm going to try Popeyes for the very first time. Let's start with chicken tenders.
Good afternoon, we've got the presentation for the following passengers. Jacob Ryan Thompson,
Solid.
Megan Denise Tracy. Jacob Ryan Thompson, Megan Denise Tracy. Please proceed to gate D16 of the 16 for important message. Thank you.
Good.
¿Es best chicken fillet o...?
I mean, a little bit better than Chick-fil-A, but I'll give it a 9.5. Start the mac
So,
and cheese.
what about Cane's?
Oh, yeah. I didn't think about Cane's. I mean, I know. I think mine be much better than Cane's. I'll start the mac and cheese. Creamy, good. I like it. What I said. Now let's try the biscuit. Apparently, it's supposed to go as dry as thing in Popeyes. Try it. Oh, here's why. Give me a 5.5 out of 10. Is that okay?
So it's not good.
Yeah, it's not good. Now try one
It's
more.
not great. What about the pickle lemonade?